Y'all about to crash this shit. Yo. Listen. I promise. You about to hear one of the greatest, most underrated, least hated, but every time I devastated, decimated, bring it back to life, then obliterate it. You ain't understand that, please let me reiterate it, cause I've been patient, but I'm dream chasing, I'm just doing me, come on, what you been waiting for? Every time I spit it, I just kill it, and I do it how I live it, and I do it till I did it, See, that's the wordplay, let me slow down, I've been spitting since my birthday, that's 9-6, 9-3, polite dude, yeah, nigga, my rhymes mean, but every time I do it, I just fuck it up. I'm just trying to do me until I fuck it up, and even then, I'ma keep on spitting, cause this is not a written freestyle. In the meanwhile, just riding around with Nebraska, we fucking around, keep it cold like Nebraska. But I don't really know my geography. This time I do it, ain't no nigga stopping me, jocking me. Even if you do it, can't catch my style, cause I'm that round, and I'm that sick. Anytime I spit it, come on dog, I'm that shit. No pun intended, this is lyrical slaughter. I just do it so still when I get on it, I don't gotta...
That's that nigga real right there! Real,
No.